Hello friends, I Anju Bhatt, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of College. Today I am deliver a lecture on behalf of Guru KPU. My topic is number system. Number system, what is number system? A set of value of used to represent different quantity is known as number system, and also a number system is a writing process represent a numeric numbers and the different set of number system. First is binary number system, second is decimal number system, third is octal number system, fourth is hexadecimal number system. First is binary number system, that is smallest part of unit, and the binary number system also used in, that is represent is two digits 0 and 1, that is base is 2 because digit used in 2, 0 and 1. And second is decimal number system. Decimal number system represent 10 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 9, that is used in 10 digits, that is base is 10. And third is octal number system. Octal number system represent 0 to 7 digits, 0 to 7 digits, and it also digits used in 8, so base is 8. And hexadecimal number system, it also represent 16 digits, that is 0 to 15, it is used in 16 digit and based is 16. Firstly, I explain decimal to binary conversion. Decimal base is 10 and binary base is 2, that is it is also called double table method. Find the binary equivalent of 75.68 and it is convert to binary form. 75 is integer part, it has two parts, integer part conversion and decimal part conversion. 75 is integer part and 0.68 is decimal part. And then solve is integer part conversion. 75 is divided by 2, then solve I solve is integer part conversion. 75 is integer part, that is divided by 2, this is divisible, quotient, 75 is quotient, and then return is remainder. Firstly, I solve 75 divided by 2, that is quotient is 37, remainder is 1, and also divided by 37, quotient is 18 and remainder is 1. Also divided by 2, quotient is 9 and remainder is 0, and also divided by 9, quotient is 4 and remainder is 1. Also divided by 2, remainder is 0 and quotient is 2, and 2 also divided by 2 and quotient is 1 and remainder is 0. This is least significant digits and this is most significant digits, and answer is write down is MSD to LSD, that is 1 0 0 1 0 1 1, that is answer is 75. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1, that is form is binary. Is fractional part conversion. 0.68 is a fractional part. This is process, this is product, this is decimal part, and this is integer part. Firstly, I solve 0.68 into 2 because 2 is a base of binary numbers. So into is 0.68 into 2, product is 1.36, decimal is 0.36, and integer part is 1. Then also decimal part is divided by 2, 0.36 into 2.72, and integer part is 0 and decimal part is 0.72. 0.72 also multiply by 2, that is product is 1.44. 0.44 is decimal part and 1 is integer part. Also decimal part 0.44 into multiply by 2, so product is 0.88. 0.88 is a decimal part and 0 is integer part. And then also multiply by 0.88 into 2 and product is 1.76 and decimal part is 0.76 and integer part is 1 and solve in that form. So integer part is the answer of fractional part conversion, that is downward direction, return in downward direction, that is 1 0 1 0 1 and answer is decimal part convert to binary form. So binary answer is 100101.10101. Second is binary convert to decimal conversion. It is also checked by decimal to binary conversion. Binary that is base is 2 and decimal base is 10. Firstly, integer part conversion. Binary number can be converted into decimal, that is multiple each digit of binary form right to left by to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, to the power 3 and so on. For example, convert 1101.011 that is binary form, that is convert to decimal form. Firstly, this is the integer part and this is a fractional part. Convert of integer part, I starting from right multiple each bits by nth bits into to the power n minus 1, right to left side, and then fraction part is solved to left to right side. This integer part, I solve is integer part, this is write down is right to left side, that is 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. Then 1 multiply by to the power 0 plus 0 multiply by to the power 1 plus 1 multiply by to the power 2 plus 1 multiply to the power 3 plus 0 multiply by to the power 4 plus 1 multiply to the power 5 plus 1 multiply by to the power 6 plus 1 multiply by to the power 7. This is write down right to left side. Then solve this equation. Firstly, to the power 0 is 1 and to the power 1 is 2, to the power 2 is 4, to the power 3 is 8, to the power 4 is 16, to the power 5 is 32 and to the power 6 is 64 and to the power 7 is 128. Then solve this equation and write down this answer 237, that is convert to decimal part, and then also solve in fractional part, that is 0 1 1. Second part is fractional part. This is the fractional conversion. Multiple each digits of binary from left to right by to the power minus 1, to the power minus 2, to the power minus 3 and so on. Starting from the left to right side, bits in the multiplied by to the power minus 1, to the power minus 2 and to the power minus 3. That write down left to right side 0 1 1. Firstly 0 multiply by to the power minus 1 plus 1 multiply by to the power minus 2 plus 1 multiply by to the power minus 3. To the power minus 1, that is 0.5, to the power minus 2 is 0.25 and to the power minus 3 is 0.125. That solve this equation, that is given by 0.375. This is convert to decimal form, that is combination of integer part and decimal part, that is given by decimal conversion, that is answer is 237.375. This is convert to decimal form. Decimal to octal conversion. Decimal is base is 10, digit used in 0 to 9, so that digit in 10. So octal is digit used in 8, that is 0 to 7 and base is 8. Firstly, for example, 125.68, that is convert to octal form. That 125 is the integer part and 0.68 is a fractional part. Firstly I solve 125, that is integer part, Firstly, decimal convert to octal form. Octal is based is 8, so divided by 1 to 5 is 8. 1 to 5 divided by 8. So solve this equation. 1 to 5 is quotient, divisible and remainder. Firstly, 8 is divided by 1 to 5, that is quotient is 15 and remainder is 5. That also divided by 8 and quotient is 1 and remainder is 7. So answer is write down is MSD to LSD, upward direction. That is answer is 175. And second is a fractional part conversion. Fractional part is 0.68. This is a process, this is a product, this is a decimal part, this is a integer part. Firstly solve is 0.68 into 8 because base is 8. 0.68 multiply by 8, product is 5.44, decimal part is 0.44, 5 is integer part. Second is 0.44 multiply by 8, product is 3.52 and 52 is a decimal part and 3 is a integer part. And also decimal part multiply by 8, product is 4.616 and 16.16 is a decimal part and 4 is a integer part. And also decimal part multiply by 8, product is 1.28, decimal part is 0.26 and integer part is 1. That is answer, write down by answer is downward direction, that is LSD to MSD. Answer is 1435 and combination of integer part and fractional part is 175.1435, that is convert to octal form. Second is octal to decimal conversion. For example 321.27, that is octal form, that is convert to decimal form. Starting from right to multiple each digit by nth digits into 8 the power n minus 1. Write down is right to left side. Firstly write down 1, 2, 3 and 1 multiply by 8 the power 0 plus 2 multiply by 8 the power 1 plus 3 multiply by 8 the power 2. That is solve this equation. 3 into 64, 8 the power 2 is 64, 8 की power 1 is 8, multiply and 8 the power 0 is 1. So 3 into 64 plus 2 into 8 plus 1 into 1, that is solve this equation. That is answer is 209, that is convert to decimal form. 209 is decimal form. That is next solve to fractional part. Fractional part is 0.27, that is also solve this binary conversion. Same is binary conversion, that is solve in 0.27 into 8 to 7 into multiply by to the power minus 1 to the power minus 2 and so on. Second is fractional part. Fractional part 0.27 is a fractional part. Starting from right to multiple each digit from left to right side by 8 the power minus 1, 8 the power minus 2 and 8 the power minus 3 and so on. That write down is this form fractional part. Fractional part is 2.27. Write down is left to right side. Firstly write down 2 and second is 7. 2 is multiplied by 8 the power minus 1 plus 7 multiplied by 8 the power minus 2. And 8 the power minus 1 is 0.25 and 8 the power minus 2 is 0.015625. That solve this equation. 2 multiplied by 0.25 is 0.25 plus 7 multiplied by 0.0156 equal to 0.109375. That is solve this equation. That is 0.3593. That is combination of this equation. Answer is 209.3593. That is complete is two conversion. First is binary to decimal conversion, second is octal to decimal conversion and octal to decimal conversion and decimal to binary conversion. And this is complete 4 portions, and thank you.